Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we start, I would like to thank you all for your help and support. Today, I would like to share how I usually organize tools into a simple toolboard. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to Virtue's Workshop. The toolboard are made from leftover laminated floor, also known as wood part, and I reinforce with used half-inch plywood and 1-inch angle iron frame. That is argon for TIG welding, pipe bending equipment, and welding electrode. Most of the tools I trace with markers so it will return to where it should be. Power tools and pneumatic tools. Welding machine I store under the table. Here are the threading tools, top handle, die handle, and here are the dies and top. With drawer for surface plate. Usually surface plate is on top of the table, but since this plate is too big, consuming space if I will put it on top of the table. So it can be used there on place, the surface plate, and not necessary to remove when it's needed. I make this splash guard. Good thing to have this at the same time. I have a stand for drill bits. Thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone. That's all for now.